What's up, everyone? My name is Steve from Supermods Tech, and today I just want to give you guys a little information. I'm working on an iPad Mini 4, and there's a little piece that you need to desolder off of the old screen and put it on the new screen, because if you don't do this, your power button won't work when you try to sleep and wake up the iPad. I know it's real stupid. Don't ask me why. I don't know why it's like that, but I just want to share this information with you guys and show you guys how it's done. So here is the new screen. And on the new screen, the part that you need to solder is basically right here. So you need to resolder this piece on. So right now, there's nothing on here. I didn't solder anything. I'm going to show you guys what the piece looks like. This is what the piece looks like, and it needs to be soldered back onto here. So I'm going to show you guys how that's done. And I'm going to switch over to Microscope cam, and y'all guys going to see how I do it. So please remember, iPad Mini 4s, the later model iPads, the big ones, all of them have this same little device. If you're changing the screen, make sure you swap this piece over, else you will have power button issues, sleep-wake issues. It's nonsense why it doesn't work. So okay, so now we switch over to the Microscope cam, and now we have a nice close-up view on what we're looking at here. All right, and I'm going to take this piece here, and we're going to use our tweezers, and we're going to line it out properly. So I had to desolder it off of the old screen, but if you notice, it has some holes there. There's also, besides the holes, there's little like, you know, there's little gold tabs. I'll point it out to you in a second. I'm just trying to stick this down so it doesn't move as much. Oh, it's moving. All right, doesn't want to cooperate. No big deal. I'll just hold it in place and point it out to you guys. So you see these little gold tabs right here? That's how you actually line it up. All right, so I want to see if I can get this thing to stick, so at least if it stays down, I'm able to give it a nice solder. All right, so we're going to have to hold it down with the tweezer, unfortunately. So what I'm going to do is get some flux, and I'm just going to give it a light little touch of flux on the top here, and just like, you know, nice little touch of flux. And I'm going to keep it in place, and I'm going to take my soldering iron, and I'm going to try and get at least one pad soldered so that it doesn't really move anymore, like that. And now I'll take my tweezer and start to solder the rest. But I just want to get some more solder on here. I don't want to really, like, you know, you want it to be nice and secure. So I'll give it a nice little bead here, coming down the rows, so that we make sure it's properly soldered. All right. So as you can see, it's nice and straight. I'll wipe that off with some alcohol. And then you guys could see what it looks like after it's been soldered properly. All right, so as you guys can see, it's been soldered nice and neatly. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do, please subscribe to my channel, Supermods Tech. If you guys need a repair, you know how to reach us. Numbers on the top right there on the screen. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out, dudes.